घर के साथ ही टाइम खराब ये बहुत छुट्टियाँ हो रही हैं। बटन आ रहा है सारे। इकतालीस मार्क्स ही पहने क्या नज़र आ रहा है। हाँ मैम सामने देखिएगा डाई।
नहीं ना आपका और मेरा लैब का रिजल्ट नहीं आया।
For your esteemed presence and support by making this event a success. Bukhari, student of Defense and Diplomatic Studies, to please come and recite few verses from the Holy Quran.
CEO, NESOL, Pakistan, our distinguished international delegates, Dr. Vaya Dodaki, from the University of Prague, Czech Republic, extraordinary Professor Dr. Nico Carpentier from the University of Prague, respected guests, civil society activists, members of media organization, conference participants, members of the academia, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. It is my immense pleasure that I welcome you all to the MCAP FJW 2021 International Media Conference. And the title is indeed very, very relevant to our current times. The digital media ecologies in the new normal, the challenges and opportunities. So I hope that in this particular conference, we focus on both the aspects. We're very grateful to all the participants who made it on time to the university. And just let me tell you about our university, that this is indeed the first women-specific university in Pakistan that was founded about 23 years back. Now, in our current times, if we analyze the potentials and the raising concerns on communication and media technologies, the relevance is exponentially increased given the pandemic situation. In the recent years, media has become part and parcel of practically every social segment of the society. And the array goes from, say, politics, judiciary, education, entertainment, sports, and you name it, and it's there. And it's very important that we, as a higher education university, focus or uptake such kind of issues which can have an exponential gains for the country. We all ratified to the Sustainable Development Goals in 2017. And before we know it, 2030 is going to be round. So all innovative interventions that the joint collaborations between different sectors can gain at the national level and bring our name or elevate our name at the international level will absolutely be founded in such activities as we are going to hold today. I'm very proud to announce that this conference will be followed by the International Doctoral School, organized in collaboration with the Association of Media, Communication Academic Professionals, Punjab Higher Education Commission, and the International Association for Media Communications Research. So our collaborative efforts will facilitate emerging scholars in designing research that is very context-specific and is relevant to our needs. And they will get guidance from the national and international experts. Yeah. Sorry, I can. You know, from where I was, I thought everyone was visible to me. So if this is any better, in any case, I'm very proud of the fact that we have about 13 international scholars and a diverse team of academicians and media experts today. And they will be contributing in this doctoral program. They have been involved in the entire planning of this doctoral program. So what we hope to achieve is very context-specific projects coming out. And there will be lots of learning, not just for the participants who attend the conference and the doctoral student, but a lot of take-home messages will indeed uplift the educational profile of a lot of other institutes and the other universities. Padma Jinnah Women University, being the first public sector specific university for women, strives to promote a vibrant, interfaith, harmonious, and cultural sensitive learning environment for women, encouraging research and innovation for building future generations of Pakistan. And our mission is to enable women students to combine the highest ethical standards with a pragmatic approach relevant to the civilized societies. So given our vision and mission, you can well understand why we were so excited about taking up this challenge and joining hands with our partners in delivering this important event today. So from a very humble beginning,
to which he or she belongs. And this can be achieved through an orderly transmission of the collective experience of the social mind from generation to generation. For this, foundations were laid out years ago by Allama Muhammad Iqbal and his school of thought. By following those foundations, we can go far beyond, acquiring a balance between modern ideas and the character of our culture. There is a need that media educators in Pakistan keep pace with the progress of modern ideas while retaining distinct character of their own culture and keep learning latest advancements in the field of mass communication. So considering these needs, mass communication educators and scholars must have common forum of collective growth and opportunity in the world of contemporary media and communication studies. MCAP has been founded to meet these needs. It is an independent association to organize media educational forces of Pakistani society into a central institution for the larger purpose where mutual exchange of knowledge will benefit all. MCAP is the initiative of media academicians who endeavor to bring media communication academics and professionals across Pakistan to synergize their efforts in improving media education and research. It is an effort to develop liaison with the media industry. I would like to share the vision of MCAP. So, its vision is to create and establish a dynamic common forum for collective growth and opportunities in media and communication for educators and scholars. Its vision is to provide a collaborative platform to promote culture of research, contributing in the creation of knowledge in media and communication field. Its vision is to serve as an extensive resource of media education and research and to become a vibrant association. for the networking of national and international media academics. So what we are doing, what we have been doing, I would like to give a brief glimpse. We are holding in national and international talks, lectures, workshops, research journals, doctoral spring school, and conferences on regular basis. We are enhancing networking among media and communication educationists for joint academic ventures. We are taking initiatives to improve the quality and standards of existing media education, keeping the national and international needs in mind. We are contributing to improve media and communication, academia writing, and teaching skills. We are taking initiatives to incorporate latest modules on handling of modern technology. We are collaborating at national and international levels with various organizations, educational institutions, and associations. We are
माली मास्टर
सिर आएगा नीचे
हाँ
Hello.